leveling the printing platform is a little bit tricky because I will use a mobile phone who has a level application. That's the application. It shows two circles who are different by -1 degree. So I have to align the platform in order to make 0 degrees. And it is a little bit tricky because, as you can see, the mobile phone is not aligned perfectly because of the camera. Camera is a little bit outside of the mobile case, so you have to use a case to align the phone exactly at 0 degrees angle. Now the gap is removed, so as you can see there is no space between the mobile phone and the glass of the printing platform. From -1 degree, first of all I will align all the screws to the maximum way to tighten this wheel, so until you will get a resistance that the wheel will not move. So until here I will do this to all the 4 wheels. So basically I will approach the glass to the support of the printing platform. The angle, as you can see, it's 0 degrees right now. So it seems I have made it from the first time. If happens to not succeed from the first time, you simply play a little bit with the corners until you get 0 degrees. The next step is to level the platform to the Z-axis sensor, which is over there. For this I will place a paper and I will open the printer. Settings, leveling, auto leveling, and I will press the home button. To move the nozzle in the center of the platform. To see exactly the distance which remains to adjust. As you can see, there is a lot of gap between the nozzle and the paper. Measuring is done. What I do now is to move this knob a little bit down, but I have to release a little. There are 2 knobs here. which needs to be the second one needs to be released. Yeah, so basically I will up a little bit the first knob and then screw down the top knob in order to reduce the distance. I'm not sure exactly if there is another way to leveling more easier. So now we stop again with the gap. I finally get to make the nozzle closer to the paper, but not enough. There is still a free little space between them, a small gap. So the next step is to use the wheels in each corner to adjust the small gaps between the nozzle and the platform, the paper. So I will release the wheels, but I will start from each corner. So I start with the corner 1 and then I will release the wheel until I have some problems with focus because there is a long distance. I think this angle is much better to see. Do you see? So basically it's make the platform closer to the nozzle until almost reaches the paper, so almost touching it. Okay, so this is the gap. So basically that's the, I think it's okay if I move the paper. So I will try a little bit higher until I get a little bit resistance when moving the paper. But I think it's too much. Yeah, so basically you do this to all 4 corners, and basically you have also the alignment of the platform that you did using your mobile phone.